Next feature is snapshots. Basically, snapshots are like screenshots that are taken in Mindbox IBM's cloud platform. You can do advanced search by devices, by the analytics, by the time duration, or by a date. Suppose if you want to search for any snapshot by a device, you can choose any device and you can see the snapshot. As you can see, I have searched for the PTZ device and there are no snapshots yet. Now, next come for the analytics. When you choose any analytics to search for snapshots, you can see these people tracking snapshot has been taken from a device that is being deleted. It also provides the status of the device if it has been deleted from the system or not. Now, next come, you can also search by a time interval like I'm choosing 320 to 345. Click on apply and you will, as you can see, these are the snapshot that has been taken in between this time interval. You can also search by a date. Suppose I am choosing 21st August. Here you can see all the snapshots that have been taken on 21st of August. This is known as download and this is known as delete. Basically, these two features are used for multiple snapshots. For example, you can choose multiple snapshot at the same time for the download like here or for the delete purpose. Suppose if you want to edit or view a snapshot, you can simply go to the snapshot. After that, you can see here you can add a comment or you can click on edit snapshot. In edit snapshot, you can revert to original. It means if you have made any editing, you can revert it. You can do the horizontal flip like this. You can do the vertical flip or you can change the black and white filter like this. You can also adjust the brightness like this. You can also increase the sharpness and you can also choose the highlights. You can also edit the highlights. Now you can save this photo. This edited snapshot will be saved separately here. You can download a single snapshot from here like this, or you can delete the snapshot directly from here. This is how easily you can edit a snapshot or delete a snapshot. That's all included into the snapshot feature. So if you have any doubt in the snapshot feature, you can easily contact to the Mindbox team 24/7.